Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. We are back at the farm. Our main job today is to spray the cows. Let's show you how we do it. Yeah. Ticks and lice are common pests in cows, causing itching and discomfort, potentially leading to weight loss and poor health. Regularly spraying cows with an effective pesticide like the Sentinel 15 EC helps control these pests, ensuring your herd remains healthy and productive. It is always good to follow the recommended guidelines for safe and effective application. Righto. So the place from where we spray our cows from is called a crush pen. It confines the cows close together, and when they are close packed together, it's easier to handle them, right? Stop. Hey. We spray cows to control ticks because ticks bring diseases, and when a cow is diseased, it can't be productive. So we spray our cows to control ticks because ticks can even bring about death to your livestock. So let's continue doing this and see how we do. Woza. So how often should you spray your cows? On a weekly basis, because tick infestation when it's raining is just terrible. So especially when it's raining, you have to spray your cows regularly, even less than a week, maybe even after 4 days, to control ticks.
Iyo ekuspraya inkomo. So lapha uyabufithezela la njengobona uyabufithezela la kuphuma ngale ngapha into le yabulokhu uyivu like sekwenzakalani manje that one.
Ticks, especially those under the cow's tail, can cause significant discomfort and health issues. These pests latch onto the cow's skin, feeding on blood and potentially transmitting diseases. Regular inspections under the tail and treatment, such as using tick control products, are essential to prevent infestations and ensure the overall health of your cattle. Yeah, today I learned how to spray cows. What an experience. So after spraying our cows, we now head over to spray our goats. For the longest time, especially in Matabeleland, goats were never sprayed. They just were kept in a pen, and then they opened the pen in the morning. They went to eat in the bush. They come back, they were never sprayed. But things have changed. We now do spray goats. So let's see how we're gonna do. This spray is very irritating to the nose, so I think there's a need to wear a mask. When you're spraying. It's very irritating to the nose. Let's pull it.
Nani ngara kuvaliwa? La. Ya, ngizomela ngaphume phandle, kumele sifake umuthi lo. Yokuze lapho la.
Esikwade ke ngelo.
Hayi,
Yay. Right, so sesibisela lapha.
Manje ukuthatha amanzi. Sola kaze. Kuna kunyo eziwela tshelwa enyaweni la udaka. Kanti awuzithumba ungaba nodaka. Ziyahluthwa ke.
As the rains persist, we continue to fight foot rot. Last week we were elevating our goat pen, all in the name of fighting foot rot.
Then singathela umuthi sesifaka ingubo le kumbe siqale sifaka ukuthi nxa zihamba zigcobe.
This week we continue with our war against foot rot by treating our goats with this blue-colored copper sulfate solution, which is commonly used in foot baths to help control and prevent the foot rot infection.
I think that's over.
Yeah.
Tell.
Yeah, 10 liters.
So until one.
Hayi ambona ukuthi amadlawa hayi wathele wonke la manje. Ukhulu wathi uthele ngoba 10 liters. Lokho i2 cups lezi ziphinyelwa ku 10 liters. Ku 10 liters so right now it is like.
All right.
Hlanganisa ngeglove la. Okay. Isenje lonke leli lilami lithambe lonke. Ya uligoqe lonke leli. Awuyathela futhi ngide nakho.
Yes. Also the over week.
Uzaba week. Esenzeni ngawo. Wona lana sele ngale ngabe ayongenela.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, okay. Uthi mbona mathi yeah, so right. All right. Ngakho kule ukuthi ngawona ngiyaqila ngijane emanzini. Yeah. So amalumazi amathwana la. Hayi. Right. Yale mbuzi uthi ngaba ngaka. Hayi mathanto yabona ukuthi ngayinyathela kungi. Yenza so. Anto bona ngayinyathela. Ngiyafithizele. The main thing ukuthi sizanyathela lapha zinyathele la. Yeah. Ngoba ungafaka ithayeli lodwa ziyaleqa.
Right, as you recall last week, this goat had scabies mouth, but we treated it with Exit. It's totally healed. Yeah.
Yeah.
Kati be impongo yoni indaba engahambi.
Hayi. Impongo le special ngoba sayithenga eSouth Africa.
Alright.
Asifuni iye ngene emzini yabantu.
Okay.
Kumele isenze thuluzi kuphela. Yeah. Hayi lo ngaba mntana hamba lo kwathi. Hey. Go. Hayi ngithu lokho. Ubamba. So isala phakathi. Yilo kumele kuphume. Manje sesambile. Ya khonokho. Wethu. Hayi senza phosho bizo lomfuko.
Adubambe. ngiyambona umfula phawu ujongwa
hayi mina ngikhulele ekhaya nokusimbuzi ekhaya nyakwazi
jonga amazinga lokho asugxamzise sikubuyisele ukubambeni ukukhangelwa ukuthi lokhu ngoba bafanana phela number 1 right
hayi mina ngiyashuta kuphela khona wena claro khadi
ukumhlopha kudibhanga senzela ukuthi izulu lingazwanga
Mike ngana kali